guys, today I have started the Java introduction video and this is my first video on Java. So basically we are starting from basic Java introduction. In this video I am going to tell you about the file storing extension, comments, header file, syntax, then Java variables, Java data type and Java operators. So let's see from first point. What is Java file storing extension? Extension means the abbreviation by which we can store the file. So extension is joined to last part of file name. Okay. So how we can save the Java file here? By .java extension. If your file name is anything, that gonna be your adding with .java extension, or you can use the class name as a file name, and in every simple way you can use file name same as your class name. Okay, whichever class you have formed, give this name to your file name and add it with .java extension. So next part is comments. Comments are nothing but the part which is not visible to coding format. That means I want to tell you that this comments what we are writing are not executed in command prompt or not having any execution done on comment part of coding. Okay, means comment are only visible to developer or users, and comment are the specific format which is going to write for better understanding of a code. If new user comes to see our code, then how he will get understand what is written in the whole code, what these classes do, what this file is doing. So for that purpose we are going to add the comments, okay, which illustrate the full information about that code containing into the file. So there are two types of comments, single line comment and multi-line comment. Single line comment can be written by giving 2 slashes, and multi-line comment can be written by using slash star. In between you can write comment line and then star with completing slash. In this format you can write multi-line comment. Okay, now third part is header file. Then what is header file of Java? Basically import.java is header file of Java. What this header file is doing, the function of header file is to taking the input and printing the output in the code. Okay, so import.java is header file of Java language, and this is syntax for writing a simple code. We have to write first header file name, then class name for which we are going to create class, which purpose we are going to create the class, to add the numbers. So hence we have given the add name to the class name. Okay, now public static void main. Then what is public static void main? Public static void main, it is a line which takes the string argument and which runs into the public environment. Okay, and then we can start by writing our code into this brackets. Anything, you can use for loop, while loop, and anything you are functioning, this function will come in this below the public static void main. Okay, so I have printed here system.out.println add is equal to a plus b. Actually I have to initialize first variable a and b, but I have not initialized here. It is just only for your more information that how to write a code. Okay, and if we have to initialize this variable a plus b, how we can initialize before the system.out.line. Here we can initialize it. How? Int a is equal to 2 semicolon, below int b is equal to 4. Likewise we can initialize, here we can initialize it. Int a is equal to 2, int b is equal to 4, and then we can print system.add .println a plus b. Okay, now these are the types of Java variables, Java data types, and Java operators, as well as Java function. So what are variables? Variables are used for storing the value or data in a memory, and specific memory is allocated to store the data. Means variable take a specific space of a memory to store its value of anything. Like I have initialized here a is equal to 2. It means variable a takes the specific value 2 to store in the memory. Hence the a is equal to 2. Okay. And third point is variables work like container to store the values. For example, in our house, in our kitchen, there are so many containers to store different things. That coffee powder can store in one container, sugar can store in second container. Likewise, we can store various items in various containers. And samely, variables are also working. Okay, likewise, for example, container A includes the 2 value for variable A. Container B includes 3 value for variable B. And if the capital variable allocate this value to it, then it not means that small a also having the same value in the memory. We can initialize small a to the different value. Okay, and if initially we have initialized a is equal to 2, and in further part of code we have initialized a is equal to 4 or 5, then code will take the iteration having a variable of value 4 or 5. It is not taking the previous value 2. Okay, means the variable a get updated time to time in the code. Okay, likewise variables are working. I want to mean it that if you are storing a is equal to 2 in first line of code, then you have write so many lines of code for doing different operation, and then again you have initialized a is variable, but you are giving this time different value, something 3. Then at the run time the compiler will take a is equal to 3, not the 2 which is stored previously. It is get updated and store the new value of a. Okay, but not to the small character. It will happen samely. Small character will store the different value and big character will store the different value. Okay, yeah. So this is initialization. If we are initialized variable a is equal to 2, means we have given the 2 value for a variable, 3 value for b variable, but it is capitalized, and for small letter we can allocate different values. And we can add the we can add the variable to store into the sum string. Okay, or to calculate the sum of any variables. I have given here a plus b but small. It means sum will update it as 4 plus 5, which means it is 9. 9 will store into this sum. Okay. So here system.out.println sum will be print. It means it will take the value 9 here. And for capital letter it will be 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. Likewise, Java variables are working. So yeah, this is about Java introduction. In this video, I just want to focus on this part of introduction only. About variables and data type, we are going to learn more about in next videos, guys. So thank you for watching. Do share, subscribe for my video. Thank you.